我哋嘅租客 Kelvin 啦，你講佢件衫啦，呢個係一個好出名嘅大學喺 Ohio Case Western Reserve University。呢度佢喺間大學入面做啦，5000幾蚊一個月賺，咁佢個 rent 就1700蚊咯，所以係一個好靚嘅 neighborhood。How is the neighborhood like?
The neighborhood is great. All the neighbors here have been here 27 years
Wow.
and over. They've raised their kids in these houses.
Okay.
And everybody is the grandparents, and they've been in their homes
Wow, very
over
nice.
27 years and above.
Okay, so you plan to stay very long here too?
Yeah.
Okay. 咁即係佢哋係租客啦，咁基本上呢度隔離啲人全部都係自己間屋咧，全部可能由好細個開始已經喺度住，或者係已經有晒一啲kid 喺度，都係住咗27年以上，好誇張。咁佢哋都諗住我哋租客好 long term 喺度住嘅，所以你揀啱一個區咧，其實本身你就可以一直有啲好好嘅租客，好準時交租。咁啊，而家交緊1700蚊一個月啦，咁呢度嘅租金其實每年都起嘅。咁如果繼續佢哋 keep 住喺度，好似頭先佢話佢都想住20幾年咧，咁啊 turnover 係0，咁你嘅租金回報率嗰個真係非常可觀啊！